If I give up on you, I give up on me. If we fight what's true, will we ever be? Living God himself in the fate I knew. Shouldn't hold me back, shouldn't keep me from you. By holding out your hand, take me as I am and live our lives. Stigmatized, yeah. I can feel the blood rushing through my veins when I hear your voice driving me insane. Hour after hour, day after day, every lonely night that I sit and pray. By holding out your hand and take me as I am and live our lives. Stigmatized, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll live our lives on different sides, but we keep together. You and I just live our lives. Stigmatized. Thank you po.
Alright, palakpakan naman. Iba talaga ang mga bata ni Miss Cindy, no? So, okay na po lahat ng mga performance natin, no? Okay, no? So, sa next event na po, sa next na. Kayo magpaprogram, kami dyan. Oh.
Hi, sir.
So,
Parang salamat, Araneta. Gano'n ka pa.
so let's, at ang favorite ng lahat,